Hello everyone, in today's video we're building a simple image to DXF converter using Python. We're going to take an image, detect its geometry and convert it into a DXF file. And let's get started. Before we start coding, we need to install a few packages. We'll be using OpenCV for image processing, ezdxf for creating DXF files, and OS for handling the paths. Next, we define the folder where our files are located and the image file we want to process. Now we are building the full input and output paths. This just combines the folder path with the file names, so Python knows exactly where to read the image from and where to save the DXF file. Now we load the image using OpenCV. imRead stands for image read. It simply loads the image from your computer into Python, so OpenCV can process it. If OpenCV can't find the file, it returns none, so it stops the program and shows an error message. Now we convert the image to grayscale. This removes the color information and leaves only brightness values, which makes it much easier to detect shapes. We apply a threshold to convert the image into black and white. Everything darker than the value we set becomes black, and everything brighter becomes white. This makes it easier for the program to detect clean shapes. Now we find the contours. This detects the outlines of the shapes in the image. We only keep the external ones and simplify the points for cleaner geometry. We create a new DXF file. We open the model space, which is where all geometry is drawn. Then we create a layer called geometry to store our shapes. Now we loop through each contour. Each contour is a list of points, and here we extract the x and y coordinates from it. basically P00 is the X coordinate and P01 is the Y coordinate. We check if the length of the points is greater than 2, because a shape needs at least 3 points to exist as a polygon. At this point the image is upside down, so we are going to rotate it 180 degrees to fix the orientation before processing the image. And that is it. We successfully converted an image into a DXF file using Python. You can now take any simple shape image and turn it into cut geometry automatically. Thanks for watching.